Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs. First, get signed into your Google account. You'll see your profile picture in the upper right and the grid of squares, which are the Google apps. If you click on the Google apps there, you'll see the various Google applications. Google Docs isn't showing up there, so if you scroll down, you'll see Google Docs here, and you can drag these around so that they will, you can put the most often used ones near the top there. Anyways, you want to find Google Docs, and you can select the icon for Google Docs, and it brings you to the Google Docs page where you have templates across the top and your most recent documents here. So you can start a blank document, or they have templates for resumes, letters, and so on. I'm going to click on this test document for sharing, and as you can see, there's your basic editing tools up here for bold and italic and justification and bullet points, your basic word processing and editing. So once you're in here, you can start making edits and adding to it. So Google saves changes immediately. You can see up here it says all changes saved in Drive. As I type, you'll see that it's saving, and then it saves them all immediately. When you have one of your classmates or a collaborator working in here, you'll see a little icon up here over here, and you'll even see their cursor show up with their name above it. So you can both be working in the document at the same time. So you have your basic functions of using font size, bold, italic, headings, and so on, and basic tools. To track changes and edits, Google Docs uses a different system called suggesting. So if you see this bar over here, this is called the editing bar. If you click it and you can go to suggesting, then Google will save all the changes and show all the edits. So for instance, if I wanted to delete this, I can say delete. It just marks it as a suggestion to delete it. It shows that I'm the one who wants to delete that phrase, and then somebody can come back in here and say accept that or decline that. And I can even put a comment in here saying like I don't think we need this. I can also come in here and start typing other words, and Google will save that in a different type color, and it shows the change here, the suggestion. So it's in Microsoft Word it's called track changes, in Google Docs it's called suggesting, but it does the same thing. So it leaves these comments here, and it shows where they are. When you click on them, it shows where they are in the text, and you can accept or decline them. So that's really great for working with other people in your group, collaborators. One other thing you can do is just actually add comments in here. If there's a comment button, you can click on comment again, and here it's going to put a comment on this and say, should I add more? And then that can be a question that goes to one of the collaborators, somebody in your group. So that's how you use Google Docs, and using the suggesting track changes function. The last thing you would need to know is how to share your document with others. So if you build it directly in Canvas with your collaboration tool in your group, then it will automatically share it with your group members. But if you want to share it with somebody else, or if you want to manually share it, then there's a share button up here. You can click on share, and then you just enter the email addresses of people you want to share it with. So you can share it with the other members of your group, and then you make sure that they can edit, and then you would click send.